Mastering the Pomodoro Technique. 4. Effective exam preparation. Hello dedicated learners. Welcome back to our channel. Do you struggle managing your study time effectively, while you are preparing for exams? Do you find it challenging to maintain focus and concentration during long study sessions? Are you looking for a proven technique to enhance your productivity and study efficiency? If your answer is yes, then make sure you watch this video till the end. Today we're delving into a powerful technique that will revolutionize the way you study. It is known as the Pomodoro Technique. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps of using the Pomodoro Technique for exam preparation, which will help you stay focused, productive, and on top of your game. So, let's dive in. Before we get started, let's understand Pomodoro Technique. This technique involves breaking your study time into focused intervals, traditionally 25 minutes long, followed by a short break. These intervals are called Pomodoros. After completing a set number of Pomodoros, you take a longer break. This method harnesses the power of time management and concentration. Now, let's walk through the steps of a Pomodoro session. Find a quiet, comfortable space, gather your study materials, and set a timer for 25 minutes. During this time, immerse yourself in your study material, giving it your full attention and effort. Once the timer goes off, it's time for a well-deserved 5 minutes break. Most important thing to remember: don't underestimate the value of these short breaks. They allow your brain to recharge, preventing burnout and maintaining your focus. Use these minutes to stretch, take a breath, or do something enjoyable. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of around 15 to 30 minutes. This cycle keeps your mind sharp and your energy levels up. Always remember, consistency is the key. Start with a manageable number of Pomodoros per study session, and gradually increase as your stamina builds. Remember, flexibility is important too. If a topic requires more time, adjust your Pomodoros accordingly. The technique is designed to adapt to your needs. Now, the question arises: how do you maximize your Pomodoro sessions? To make your Pomodoro sessions even more effective, consider planning your tasks ahead of time, using tools like to-do list, and minimize any distractions. Also, experiment with different lengths for your Pomodoros and breaks, to find your ideal rhythm. Now, you know the game-changing strategy to master your exam preparation. By breaking your study time into focused intervals, you'll boost your productivity, retain information better, and feel more accomplished. With this technique, along with iLearnHQ's online test series, you can conquer any competitive exam. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. To further enhance your exam preparation journey, visit iLearnHQ.com. Your dreams are within reach. Take the first step towards a brighter future and enroll today. See you in the inside.